Yeah, what's up, everybody? It's your boy again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if it's your first time to view my channel, be sure you subscribe, you like, you share, you comment, so that when I drop any video, you just be the first person to view. And guys, today I'm just on my way. I'm just having a nature walk. Yeah, I'm just having a nature walk. You can see this. This is where I come from. This is where I come from, and this is Darren Paradise Resort. Yeah, this is Darren Paradise Resort. You can see it. You can see it's very tall. I'm just passing by there because I'm having a nature walk. So you can see that logo there, Darren Paradise Resort. It's very attractive, very nice. Most of guys who are wealthy come there. It's a big hotel actually. Most of people come there and have have their meal, but it's too expensive to a person like me. I can't afford to go there. So so you can so it is like that. Uh, I'm just trying to stretch my legs up to the point I get tired and go back home using a motorbike. Yeah. So guys, that is our tarmac. That is the tarmac. You can see this road is really busy. It is always busy. It's always busy, and you can see it's always busy each and every day. The matatus are on, motorbikes, each and every mean of transport use this road. And this road goes, if you go like that, you will be going to Bungoma town, and if you go like this, you'll be going to Kakamega town. So I don't know if where you come from, but if you go like that, you can you go to Kakamega, then you can it also goes to Nairobi. If those coming from Nairobi, it also goes to it also go to it also reaches you to Nairobi. Then there's a lot of sun. The sun is the day is so hot. eh? The day is so hot. Don't know why, but we thank God. Maybe during in the evening the rain shall come and will cool. It will cool the day. Yeah. So guys, it's like that, and now in this side, people will really harvest the maize. They are evergreen. So yeah, there someone planted the sugar canes. Sugar canes. Then and some have already harvested their beans. You can see these ones here. Guys have already harvested them. Yeah, and I can see the traffic police there. So I don't know what they are looking for. I can see the traffic police there. Ah, the traffic police are there. You can see them. These are the traffic police parking their probox there. Their car there. This is their pro box, guys. Yeah, I can see restaurant, traffic police are there. Yeah, guys. And so, guys, if it's your first time to view my channel, please ensure you subscribe, you like, you share, you comment so that when I drop any video, you just be the first person to view. Thank you. Have a nice day full of dreams. Bye bye. I love you guys. Thank you for your support. Please subscribe, like, share, comment. Bye bye. Let us meet on the next video. Bye.